Hi, I'm Dr. Brad Carter and I'm an astronomer here at the University of Southern Queensland. The research that I'm involved with is in astronomy. What we're doing is we're actually investigating the activity of the Sun but on other stars. So our own Sun has activity, spots and flares and all sorts of things that affects us here on Earth, and our aim is to understand that type of activity on other stars. We're also involved in work to look for planets around other stars. And in fact, we're finding planets in orbit around other stars. And so the aim of our research is to look at activity on other stars and how this activity affects the planets that orbit around the star. A particular project that we're involved with at the moment is we're involved in a hunt for planets around nearby red dwarf stars. Red dwarf stars are small stars smaller than the Sun and very common. They're the most common star in the universe. And so what we're hoping to do is to find planets around those stars, because we think there are many planets out there, and in fact if you find a planet in the right orbit, it's potentially habitable. So right now we're using a telescope in South America called Magellan, and we're using the Magellan telescope to look for the indications of planets around nearby stars. We're hoping to find a number of new planets around red dwarf stars, and we're also hoping to find those planets that might potentially be habitable. Those stars that we're looking at the moment, we're hoping to find planets where the temperature is not so hot and not so cold, it's just right. So in a sense we're looking for planets in the Goldilocks zone, where the temperature is sufficient for liquid water. So that's the sort of research we're doing, and that's the sort of project I'm involved with.